File picker. What is the file picker? We are going to explore Moodle's file picker and see how you can use it. You might see the file picker if you upload a file using the activity chooser. Or else, if you are inside a text editor, for instance, if you are going to edit the week summary and you want to add an image or you want to add a sound or video file, then you are going to go through the repositories and use the file picker. On one of my course section, I am going to click on add an activity or resource and click on file and edit. Then on the next screen, when we scroll down to content, we can access the file picker by clicking the add button. What you see on the left side are links which are known as repositories, and each of these are places where you can retrieve files to display on your course. The one you most often use is to upload a file. This would allow you to access documents in your computer or USB drive. Recent file shows the latest files that you have uploaded, and it is context sensitive. This means that Moodle knows if you want to upload an image through the image icon, it will show you only the images. If you want to upload a sound file using the media icon, it will only show you media files. In private files, it allows you to retrieve files you have previously uploaded in your personal private file space. And in the URL downloader, it allows you to add a web link and it will download for you the images on that web page. Other links are repositories which will appear according to what your administrator has enabled. If you use the Wikimedia, you can search the image by typing the keyword you want to search for. It will show up all results regarding your key term, and you can select the file. In the server files, these are the files in other courses which you have access as a teacher. For instance, if you are teaching grade 1 English in one course and you want to add a file you has used in grade 2 English, a different course, you go to the server files to locate it. If you click on recent files back and go and click on the folder-like icon, you will see this will display the files as a tree, and in the middle button it displays them with the details of their size, type and when they were last modified. And then the other icon, it displays what type of files they are.